Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing about crypto, Bitcoin, but also I'm going to give you three altcoins which I'm going to buy, which I think they have a very good potential to do at least a 3x in this crazy bull market, because right now guys we're still in a bull market. Of course, before we continue, don't forget to subscribe for the channel. We post one video every single day about Bitcoin analysis, altcoin analysis and so much more. Now guys, Bitcoin is still in this situation where people are now calling for a bear market, the end of the bull market, and all of that. And what I would like to show you right now is the following, which is very simple to see. We have one point over here, which is a point of accumulation. Second point, it's over here of accumulation, and Bitcoin is sitting over here. And it's not breaking, guys. It's not breaking. It's still fluctuating in between this range here to this range over here. And I can see lots of people and Moonboys calling now for the end of the bull market. To be honest, guys, from a data point of view, I can't really see that this one is the end of the bull market, but more likely, in my opinion, more likely that we are pretty much ranging in between these two lines over here, and when Bitcoin is ready, is going to be able to go to the upside. And look, I'm not saying we're not gonna crash, down to this area over here, but looking at the current scenario from a macro point of view, everything still looks very, very bullish. And of course, you can take many trades whenever you are in this range over here. For example, like with our VIP group, and post trading calls with altcoins and Bitcoin. And of course, we are making crazy good results. Look at our members printing every single day. We post a Bitcoin analysis, altcoin analysis, and so much more. You can see all of that. So if you want to be part of a proper, serious group of like-minded individuals and traders, you can just join the VIP group and you won't regret it if you want to make money together and also have a very good insight, whether you are an investor or even if you are a trader. If you want to join, link in the description below, click the link, join the VIP, and I'll see you inside. But let's get the chance now. Let's go back into Bitcoin and let's analyze on the daily chart a little bit, and then I'm going to show you the altcoins which I'm going to buy because they have a very good potential. So Bitcoin on the daily chart, guys, nothing has pretty much changed. We were saying before that we have very important levels. One level of support over here, next one is roughly around here at 62, 63,000. Last one is roughly over here at 58 to 60,000 dollars. Are we gonna be able to fill all these orders? Well, I don't know, but I would say in the worst case scenario, what I can see from right now could be something like this, maybe a little bit of a push to the downside, bounce from here, and then finally to go to the upside. Or even what could be happening as well could be just to go from here, a big bounce to the upside, and then continuation. There is something which is very important that I would like to tell you, is the fact that so many altcoins right now are pretty oversold, and myself as well as the VIP members has already started to accumulate lots of altcoins. So I will say that what I can see from here, it could be, this is my worst case scenario, to go down to 57,000, 58,000 again, and then have a big bounce to the upside. But right now things look quite good, I must say, because we still haven't broken any significant level of support. We're just touching on this. We had this beautiful breakout a few, like 1 month ago, a few weeks ago, to roughly $72,000. Now we're climbing back down a little bit, but still we are above this level of previous resistance, which is now support. So what we could be seeing from here could be maybe another climb back down to here, and then once Bitcoin is ready, you can actually pump to the upside, almost like to form like a bull flag from here. So it could be maybe pump up to here, another one to the downside, and then finally a big breakage. And if that happens, of course, what we can do to calculate it could be, let's say you're gonna see one point over here, then we have another one over here. So there's gonna be a really like a bull flag in action. So we can just calculate it from here to here, and then if this is gonna play out, what we could be seeing could be, just take the poll, bring it over here, is going to give us a target of roughly $81,000. That could be definitely be on the cards. Now that's it for Bitcoin. So nothing has changed, not concerned at all, still in a macro bull market. So I would urge you not to freak out right now if it's going down a little bit. And also something I want to show you as well, the reason why Bitcoin is also going down a little bit is the fact of the DXY, dollar currency index, is pumping to the upside. So whenever this one goes to the upside, Bitcoin goes down, and you can see right now, we are pretty much facing like an important resistance over here. So if it's going to be able to break this, DXY is going to be able to break to the upside, I can see a continuation to go a little bit higher. So we can see throwing some lines again, throwing like a channel. We can see that the DXY could be going as high, maybe even as 109, 108 before going back down again. So what we could be seeing could be something like this I'm going to show you. And again, this is my opinion based on data, not financial advice, but we could be seeing a potential reverse up to this way here and then down, or even simply up to here and then down straight away. So that's what I can see right now, because even from here, you can see that what we could be forming here could be even a double, sort of like a double top from here, and then could go down this way. So either way, I'm still expecting from a macro point of view that the DXY is going to go down, and therefore we're going to see more continuation to the downside. Now, first coin I want to show you today, guys, which I'm going to buy and is quite interesting. Here we go. Avax USDT is a coin that has been forgotten because of these new meme coins that everybody's buying right now, but nobody cares anymore about the altcoins, like which so much utility. Avax USDT, I think, is going to be great for this bull run. And of course, I'm going to give you the objective price targets for this bull market without giving you any hopium, because lots of people will give you targets of $400, $500, $2,000, but I like to be more down to earth and objective. And I'm going to just tell you what I think could be happening with Avax, and to give you like a realistic target. So at the moment, you can see that what I can expect from Avax USDT could be potentially, if Bitcoin goes down to 64,000, 62,000, I can see maybe one more push down to $22, $24 for a potential reaccumulation, and then from here is going to be ranging a little bit. What is very important, we have to see, will be the break of this diagonal level of resistance over here, which is going to be around this area here, is roughly at $50, and once it's going to be able to break this level over here, which I'm going to show you right now. So here we go. Once I'm going to be able to break this area over here, then I can really see Avax to continue to go to the upside. And my target for this bull run, and I'm going to make lots of people angry right now, is going to be roughly $100. And people are asking me, Andrea, why you only say $100? You could be going to 400, 500. Well, I don't care. I don't care, because I'm going to be selling like 80% if it goes even to 80 to 100, because that's the way you can make money in crypto and in trading. You don't make money trying to hope for 200, 300, 400. That's gambling. So really respect the rules, respect the data, respect support and resistance. And looking at the data right now, that's going to be the best point to actually load off all of your bags and really take a big chunk of profit. So what I can see at the end of the bull market, Avax to 100, it's definitely reasonable. And it could be going as high as, if he wants to, 260, 200, of course, but that's my expectation for this. So again, if you're buying at 25, 20, that's going to be incredible. And the way you can trade this one could be potentially buying if he breaks this resistance over here, or to buy at the support over here. That could be, again, not financial advice, but that's what I'm going to do. But I already started to accumulate this coin over here. Guys, the next one is going to be Dogecoin. Dogecoin, I think, is a great coin, one of the first meme coins. I think this bull market is going to be very concentrated and focused on meme coins, and Doge, because it was the original one, is gonna pump very, very strongly. And I can see from here as well, very similar to Avax. At the moment, we can see lots of weakness coming up because of Bitcoin, and what we could be seeing could be a potential drop, maybe down to 0.10, 0.9 and 0.10 in the next maybe weeks or so. But after that, once Bitcoin can actually go back and restart his bull run up to maybe 90K, 100K, then I can see Doge really pumping as well. And if I actually have a target in my mind, that's I think that Doge could actually go around 0.50. So again, in numerical numbers, we're talking about a 5x from here, so it's a lot. And If it's gonna go higher, it's gonna go to $1, maybe, yeah, definitely could do that. But looking at the moment at the data, I would be very happy already if it's gonna go in between even 40 to 60 cents. That would be already a winning for me. I'm not trying to hope for this 4x, 5x, whatever, because it absolutely doesn't make sense. So Dogecoin, I think, as a price target, 13 to 14. 40 to 50 cents, that would be very reasonable. Next one, guys, is Render USDT. Render, it's great, looks amazing. So AI coin, I think we're gonna have very good, I would say, like a prospect for the AI coin. They should really pump in the next upcoming months. And what I can see right now from Render, first of all, a very good sign that he broke all-time high over here. And in general, when that happens, I can really see more continuation to come. So unlike, for example, Avax or Dogecoin, which are unable to break their previous all-time high, Render was able to do so. And what I can see is that looking at the chart is forming what we call a cup and handle pattern. And if this pattern plays out, and then you calculate, how high it could go to, it can bring me a target of roughly $20. So again, that's not a crazy target. Some people would say it's going to go to 50, 60, 200,000 million, but looking at my risk to reward, from $7 to $20 is roughly like a 3x from here, which could be very reasonable for Render to reach. And short term, what I could be expecting could be maybe a drop down to this area over here around $5, $6, and then we could be seeing like an explosion to go to the upside. So that's it, guys. Avax, Doge, Render, great coins to really start to accumulate. And of course, if you want to know the proper buy limits, buying areas, you can join the VIP group. We discuss this every single day. I tell all the members, what I'm doing in terms of my, from an investment point of view, from a trading point of view, short-term point of view, you get everything that you need to succeed in this crazy crypto market. But otherwise, I really hope you're gonna have a great day. I'm gonna see you tomorrow for another video. Don't forget to subscribe, very important, because we post regular videos for you to help you to navigate this crazy crypto market. Take care, and I'm gonna see you soon.